Welcome back everyone to this tutorial about measures of central tendency. We have several measures for central tendency. The first and the most important measure in central tendency is mean. And as you know, mean is the average of the numbers. It is a calculated central value of a set of numbers. And to calculate it, add up all the numbers, then divide them by how many numbers there are. So for example, if you have these numbers, you find the sum, divide by their number, which is 5, and you will get the mean. And mean is important because it gives us an idea about the average values in a certain population. So let's say we have the salaries of 6 engineers working in the same department. And to find the mean, we find the total or the sum of all salaries and divide them by 6 so we can get the average salary in the department. So the average salary here is 5,250. Let's add the salary of the department manager to the group, which is 25,000, and see what will happen. The mean salary in that department now is 8,000, so you can see how one value can significantly change the mean value. So in this case, we call this value an outlier because it is not similar to any other value in that group. And we refer to mean in population as mu and the mean in sample as x bar. So you need to remember these two symbols because we are going to use them in all the next lectures. The second central tendency measure is median, sorting values in ascending or descending order and find the number in the middle, and this number is the median. So in these values, 6 is the number in the middle, and that's when we have an odd number of values. What if we have an even number, like in this case we have 8 values, and in this case we take the two numbers in the middle, find their sum, divide by 2, and we find the median, which is 4.5. If we go back to the same example of the salaries in that department, median can give us a better indication about the salaries in that population because it still shows us the value in the middle, which is 5,500. And finally here we have the mode. Mode is the number that appears most often in a set of numbers. So in this data set we have 6 appeared 3 times, which is more than any other number, and 6 is the mode.